Hi, welcome to Building Routines for Academic Success in Math for Grades K-2. I'm Diana Slopey, Supervisor of Mathematics. Today we will explore how you can support your child's math learning at home through simple, research-based routines. These activities don't require special materials, just everyday moments that build mathematical thinking, confidence, and curiosity. Research shows that early exposure to math, talk, and number sense activities help children develop stronger reasoning and problem-solving skills. Routine 1, math talk during daily activities. The purpose is to build number sense and reasoning through conversation. Use daily routines to talk about numbers, patterns, and quantities. For example, at the grocery store, you can ask, if we have 5 apples and add 2 more, how many do we have? When cooking, ask questions like, we need 2 cups of flour. How many more do we need to make 3 cups? During walks around the city, count the steps to your door, to the mailbox, count stairs. And why does this matter? Research shows that early math talk predicts later math achievement. The more we talk to our children about math, the easier math becomes for them. Talking about numbers in real-world context helps children understand that math is a part of everyday life. Routine 2, play games that build number sense. Strengthening, counting, comparison, and strategic thinking is the reason we play games. So play simple games that involve counting, addition, or number recognition. We can use card games like War, where you compare numbers, teach comparing quantities. Greater than, less than, you can have your child count the hearts on the card or the diamonds. Dice games encourage subitizing. Subitizing is instantly recognizing how many without counting. So our children and students should start to know how many dots are on each side of the dice without having to count. Board games like Chutes and Ladders, Sorry, they help children count and recognize numbers. Why does this matter for us? Playing linear board games improves numerical understanding, number line estimation, and other concepts that are key components of early math success. Routine 3, practice everyday problem solving. The purpose is to encourage flexible thinking and perseverance. We want to build thinkers that continue to work through puzzles. Invite your child to solve simple, meaningful problems throughout the day. Examples might be, we have 4 forks, but 6 people. How many more do we need? When they're playing, ask questions like, if you have 3 toy cars and get 2 more, how many will you have altogether? Or when setting the table, questions like, we need 10 napkins. You already put out 7. How many are left? And why does this matter? Problem solving promotes conceptual understanding. Encouraging your child to explain how they figured it out helps develop reasoning and communication skills. Practice those skills by asking questions and having them respond orally. Routine 4, explore shapes and patterns. We can help build spatial reasoning and pattern recognition. Look for shapes and patterns in your environment, inside the house or when you're out and about. Ask questions like, how many rectangles do you see on this building? Can we find something shaped like a triangle in the kitchen? Let's make a pattern with blocks. Maybe Legos, red, blue, red, blue. And then you can get harder. Red, red, blue, red, red, blue. So we want to look at shapes as well as patterns. Why does it matter? Research found that early geometry and pattern recognition skills are strong predictors of later success in mathematics. These activities help children visualize relationships and develop spatial awareness. Okay, we can also use simple terms like in front of, behind, and next to build that spatial awareness. Routine 5, count, compare, and measure. This helps us develop measurement and comparison skills. So we want to use household items to measure and compare. So we might compare lengths, which is longer, your pencil or your crayon, your eraser or your marker. Measure using non-standard units. So instead of a ruler when we're younger, we might ask questions like, how many paper clips long is this book? Or how many crayons long is this book? So practice lining up different items without any spaces. Have students track daily routines. How many minutes until bedtime? What time is it? Why it matters. Research shows that experiences with measurement and comparison help children understand quantity and build foundational number concepts. By incorporating math talk, number games, problem solving, shape exploration, and measurement into daily life, you're helping your child build confidence and a love for math. These small routines create meaningful learning moments that strengthen both skills and mindset. Thank you.